Hi everyone. In last class, we learned how to enter cash transactions and bank transactions in Tally ERP9. Today, we learn how to enter credit transactions in Tally ERP9. What is credit transaction? Credit transaction is a business transaction which not involve of cash at the time of the occurrence of the transaction, but is settled in cash at the subsequent date. So in this type of transactions, how to enter in this type of transactions in Tally? So go to Tally ERP9, create some company name. I am creating XYZ company. Creating XYZ company and the country of India, state of Andhra Pradesh. Control plus A for saving. After saving that company, go to gateway of Tally. In accounts, the first transaction of company is commonly the capital transaction. So already you know capital transaction is entering in receipt voucher. So press F6 or click on receipt button on shortcut keys panel bar. In the account, select cash, particulars, press Alt plus C, create a ledger for the capital. Under capital account, Control plus A for saving. So how much amount you invested? 15 lakhs. After entering the narration, being started a business. Okay. And next one. So for the credit transaction, in the first transaction is I am purchasing some item through credit transaction, through credit. So go to purchase voucher, press F9. So go to purchase voucher, click on purchase button on shortcut keys panel bar. After that, the party account name is, in before classes we learned party account name is cash. Why? Because the transactions is cash transactions. At present we are doing credit transactions. So here we entering the party account name. So at this time we are purchasing through credit. So here you enter some party account name of the creditor. So create some ledger, create a party account ledger, press Alt plus C. I am purchasing from Dell Computers. For example, Dell Computers is a sundry creditor. Here maintain balances bill by bill. Yes. This option is used for maintaining outstanding amounts of the receivable outstanding or payable outstandings. So after that, in the particulars we are doing purchases. So create a purchase ledger. Purchases under purchase accounts. So select purchase accounts in list of groups. Enter how much amount you purchases, 50,000 rupees item. After that, narration is being credit purchases. Enter credit sales. So for the sales voucher, press F8 button on the keyboard or sales button on shortcut keys panel bar. And the party account name. So we are doing credit transactions. So here enter your party name. that means customer name plus all plus C, Ramesh. Ramesh is a customer name. In the accounts, customers are also called as the debtors. So under sundry debtors, here it's showing maintained balance will be billed is no. It's changed to yes, Y and press enter. Why? Because this option is used for the maintaining outstandings of the customers or suppliers. It is a very important option for the maintaining outstandings. So you should activate this option. That's why I am changed to yes. Press enter. In the particulars, we are doing sales. So create a sales ledger under sales accounts. How much amount? 60,000. As the narration is being credit sales. Okay. So you can check outstanding amounts. Press escape. Go to gateway of tally. Select display and press enter. In the display menu, go to statements of accounts. Here it's showing outstandings. Press enter. It's showing receivable outstandings and payable outstandings. So click on receivable outstandings. The outstanding amount of Ramesh is 60,000 rupees. That is the receivable outstanding. Go to payable outstandings. So Dell Computers outstanding is 50,000 rupees. This is payable outstanding. And now I am receiving cash from the Ramesh. So in the transaction, cash is received. So select receipt voucher, press F6 or click on receipt button on shortcut keys panel. Account cash, this particular is received from the Ramesh. So select Ramesh. It's showing current balance 60,000 rupees. So I am collecting also 60,000 rupees amount. So it's asking for bill wise details. Type of reference is, what is the reference? There is advance amount or reference amount. So select reference amount. It's showing pending bills. So Ramesh pending bills is only one bill is pending. The name number 1, date April 1, 2020, balance 60,000 rupees. Press enter. After enter this amount, you can check Ramesh current balance is 0. Okay. Being cash received. Press enter. After saving the voucher, so I am paying cash to Dell Computers. So go to payment voucher, select account as cash. In this particulars, select Dell Computers. How much amount? It's already showing current balance of the Dell Computers 50,000 rupees. So I am paying 50,000 rupees. Press enter. It's asking for the references. So there is a pending amount, pending bill. So select against reference. There is a pending bill is 50,000 amount. So press enter. Being cash paid. Also you can check Dell Computers current balance is 0. Press enter. So after saving that voucher, you can check reports. Go to display, statements of accounts, outstandings, the receivable outstanding, no transactions, and the payable outstandings, also no transactions. So I hope you understand how to enter credit transactions in Tally ERP9. If you have any questions, drop a message in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.